I know you've asked yourself, why is a lawnmower like a Model T Ford? And if you haven't, you should. But the common denominators in a lawnmower and a Model T Ford, I know everybody heard of Model T Ford, is neither one has a fuel pump. And if you're asking why no fuel pump, is because you don't need one. For the simple fact that as you see, this is your fuel pump, right? This is your gas tank here, and there's the bottom of it. And the bottom of your fuel tank is higher than your carburetor. And which is down right here. So as fuel flows downhill, it just runs right into your fuel pump, your carburetor, and then the motor suction pulls the gas on into the spark plug, and there you have it. And if you don't have one of these, you need to have one, which is cut off on your fuel line going to your carburetor. They're going to come in handy. So after that lesson of the day, I'll let you get back to your football game. And my, is there a good one on today. Oklahoma against the Longhorns. And right now, the Longhorns out in front of the Sooners, if you can believe it. Well, I must admit, I just committed an unpardonable sin, which is, everybody will agree, is very egregious, unforgiving. Don't know how I'm ever going to live this down. And of course, as you've guessed, I mowed the yard. Well, Oklahoma was playing football. But I got a good excuse. I thought they were going to lose. And they was down 10-17, I think, when I left. But here they have. Come back strong. And the score is now 27-17. Sooners are winning the game now. Of course they are. They'll beat the Longhorns without a doubt. Well, there is a doubt, but I'm thinking they're going to win now. They've got a pretty good lead on them. 10 points. But as we was talking about a while ago, it was about the lawnmower and the Model T. I lived back in the days when there was still a few of them on the road, and you could go uptown and see them parked several different places. Among the 36 Fords and the 48 Lincolns and the ugly old Chevys. But as I was saying, the gas tank on the Model T is right in front of your face. Well, not really in front of your face, but right out in front of your windshield. It was under the hood, sitting up high and dry. And you can see from the driver's seat, you can see the gas cap. And that's where you filled it up at. So, other than that, well, you can set a seat on it lawnmower with the hood raised. You see the gas cap there in front of you too.